Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Tanzanian style cassata ice cream. And this particular recipe was requested by one of our viewers who specifically requested that we make the Tanzanian style cassata ice cream. So cassata ice cream actually originates from Italy, but there are many variations of this ice cream, across the world. What distinguishes the Tanzanian version from all the other versions is that the cassata ice cream it forms a rectangle shape, which kind of resembles, like a brick shape. It's incredibly creamy and buttery, and it's regularly topped with some peanuts as well as some rich chocolate sauce. And in order to fulfill this request, we had to, especially call one of our aunts that lives in Salaam in Tanzania, and she was of immense help in helping us, come out with this recipe. So thank you to our aunt in Tanzania. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this cassata ice cream, which is wonderful. You can see how amazing it looks. So we've added strawberries as our own personal touch, but you can add other things, like you can add like biscuit pieces, wafer pieces, or your own chocolate shavings. So it's really up to you what you prefer personally. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a taste. The roasted peanuts and what a combination with the chocolate sauce. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. This has fully put me into like a poetic mood, It's one of those ice creams that you have and you feel like, violin should be playing and that there should be like a cadence in the air that is, just brushing against the ears. It's just so subtle and so wonderful. How else can I describe what I felt taking that bite of ice cream. Absolutely marvelous, scintillating and mesmerizing. Okay, so with that said, you can view our Tanzanian style faluda recipe over here. You can view our Tanzanian style samosa recipe over here. You can view our zero chicken recipe, which is over here. And for more East African recipes specifically, there's an entire playlist which you can view over here. With that said, catch you in the next one.